Someone uploaded a file to the internet last year. It was 34 pages long. No photos, no fancy design, just text. That file made its creator $8,000 in a single month. And the worst part? You probably could have made it. You just didn't know it existed. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. When was the last time you actually got a raise? Because inflation in the US hit 20% over the last 3 years. Your salary almost certainly didn't. So even if you kept your job, you got poor every single year while sitting at the same desk, doing the same work. And now, AI is coming for that desk too. But here is what the news will not tell you. Every single time technology wiped out a category of jobs, it created a window, usually 12 to 18 months, where the people who figured out the new thing first made disproportionate, almost unfair amounts of money. We are inside that window right now. It will close. The only question is whether you are on the right side of it when it does. So, back to that $27 file. It was a prompt pack, a collection of specific instructions that tell AI tools like ChatGPT exactly what to do. Write me a cold email that converts. Generate a 30-day content calendar. Create a product description that actually sells. Stuff that businesses need done every single day. Stuff that used to require hiring an agency. The creator packaged 80 of these into a PDF, listed it for $27, went to sleep, woke up to sales notifications. No warehouse, no shipping, no customers to deal with. Just a file, sitting there, making money. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, but that person got lucky. They had an audience. They had something I don't have. They had 340 followers on Twitter when they launched it. Here is the actual model. AI writes the prompts. You package them. The internet sells them for you. Your cost is 0. Your margin is 100%. And unlike a YouTube channel that takes a year to monetize, or freelancing that trades your hours for money, a digital product works while you sleep, while you're with your family, while you're doing anything else. What does it actually take to build one? ChatGPT? Free. Canva? Free. Gumroad? Free until you make a sale. Your only investment is the hours you put in. Week 1, learn what prompts businesses actually search for. Week 2, use AI to help you write and test 50 to 80 of them. Week 3, package it, price it between $17 and $37, list it. Week 4, some people are already making their first sales. I want to be straight with you. Not everyone makes $8,000 in month 1. Some make $200, some make $800. But a digital product compounds. Month 2, it can make more. Month 6, it can make significantly more. And you can run multiple products at the same time. The person making $8,000 wasn't doing it with one product. They had 4. The window for this is open right now, because most people still think AI is just for writing essays. They haven't connected the dots to income yet. By the time they do, by the time this is on mainstream news and your uncle is talking about it at dinner, the market will be saturated and the easy money will be gone. That is how every wealth transfer in history has worked. The internet, social media, crypto. The people who moved in the first 18 months made life-changing money. The people who waited made almost nothing. If you want the exact steps, which niches to target, which prompts actually sell, how to write a listing that converts, that's what this channel is for. Every week, free. Subscribe and comment below, what niche would you build a prompt pack for? Marketing? Fitness? Real estate? I'm reading all of them.